അമ്പിളി മോളെ അമ്മച്ചിയുടെ വിവാഹാശംസകള്.
Hi.
Hi.
Congratulations to our loving son and daughter. Our best wishes to you both. Our blessings
and prayers are always with you.
അമ്പിളിമോളെ, ആദ്യം തന്നെ എൻ്റെ മോൾക്ക് ഡാഡിയുടെ വക ഒരു സ്നേഹവും ഈ ഡാഡി പറയണ്ട ഇന്നലെ നിങ്ങളുടെ വിവാഹത്തിന് പിന്നെ ഡാഡി പറയാനുള്ളത് എപ്പോഴും ഹാപ്പി ആവാൻ മാക്സിമം ട്രൈ ചെയ്യും. ഈ കോവിഡിൻ്റെ കുറച്ച് കാര്യങ്ങൾ കഴിഞ്ഞ് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഡാഡി മമ്മിയും കൂടി ഇങ്ങോട്ട് വരുന്ന മക്കളെ കാണാൻ. ഓക്കെ മോളെ.
വിഷ് യു എ ഹാപ്പി മാരീഡ് ലൈഫ് അമ്പിളി. അമ്പിളിക്കുട്ടി മമ്മിയുടെ മോസ്റ്റ് ലവിങ് ഗേളാണ്. ചെറുപ്പത്തിൽ തന്നെ അമ്പിളി മമ്മിയുടെ കൂടെ ഇങ്ങനെ മമ്മിയോട് ചേർന്ന് നടന്ന ഒരു കുട്ടിയാണ് അമ്പിളി. അമ്പിളി ഇപ്പോഴും മമ്മിക്കൊരു കുഞ്ഞു പോലെ തന്നെയാണ്. അമ്പിളി എല്ലാം പ്രാർത്ഥനയെക്കൂടെ നേടിക്കൊണ്ടിരുന്ന ഒരു കുട്ടിയാണ്. എന്താവശ്യം ഉണ്ടായാലും ആദ്യം അവൾ ദൈവത്തോട് പ്രാർത്ഥിക്കും. അപ്പോൾ അവൾക്കത് സാധിച്ചു കിട്ടും. ആ പ്രാർത്ഥനാശീലം, ചെറുപ്പത്തിലുണ്ടായിരുന്ന ആ പ്രാർത്ഥനാശീലം ഇനിയും കണ്ടിന്യൂ ചെയ്യണോട്ടെ അമ്പിളി. എല്ലാ കാര്യങ്ങളിലും ഒരു ദൈവത്തിൻ്റെ ആശ്രയം വേണം. ഇതുവരെ നടത്തിയ ദൈവത്തിന് നീ നന്ദി പറയണം. ദൈവം സമൃദ്ധമായിട്ട് നിങ്ങൾ രണ്ടുപേരും അനുഗ്രഹിക്കട്ടെ. മമ്മിയുടെ ചക്കര കുട്ടിക്ക് മമ്മിയുടെ ഉമ്മ.
Hi.
Congratulations to both of you. We wish you a very happy married life.
We miss being around. Our prayers and blessings to you both.
ത്തിന്റെ എല്ലാ മംഗളാശംസകൾ അമ്പിളിക്കും അഖിലേഷിനും നേരുന്നു.
അമ്പിളി മോളെ, വിഷ് യു ഹാപ്പി മാരീഡ് ലൈഫ്.
God bless you both of you. Wish you a happy married life.
അമ്പിളി ചേച്ചി.
അടുത്ത കുടുംബത്തിന്റെ മംഗളാശംസകൾ.
അമ്പിളി മോൾക്ക് പൈനാടത്ത് തറവാടിന്റെ എല്ലാവിധ വിവാഹ മംഗളാശംസകൾ.
Hello. Anniversary alla. She's finally getting married. Who's getting married?
Maybe it is anniversary.
Ambli. And who is she? Who's the lucky person who's she's getting married to? Akhilesh. Yeah. So finally your special day has come. Right, Tanvi? Avada nokiye. Kai kotiye. And say So da. No, da. So Ambli Chechi and Akhilesh is getting married. So we're really sad we can't be there. But I'm sure it's going to be the most special day of both Ambli and Akhilesh. So we wish you all the best. And Dada, you have anything else to say?
Have a wonderful life together.
He's already sad, saying, thinking that Akhilesh and Gudi dile pettu poyile no vijayachittu. He's already sad. So but
you can't be there.
And say have a nice wedding and hope everything goes fine. God bless. Bye bye.
Enjoy the day. Bye.
So finally, before we end the video, I'm so gonna miss it. I've been waiting for years and years for this special day, and how much I waited for this. But now finally COVID had to spoil everything. But I'm so happy that it's finally here, and you'll have a beautiful day and a beautiful wedding with Akhilesh. All our prayers and best wishes with both of you, and I just can't wait to see you both together as Mr. and Mrs. Akhilesh. Inshallah, soon we will meet. Good luck, love you. Okay, I'll keep the video before I start crying again.
Hello Ambli Amma and Akhilesh uncle. I hope that you're enjoying your wedding and having a wonderful time. I love you both so much with all my heart. I love you till the sun dies. Your wedding will come and go, but your love will forever grow. Let the love between you two grow in time. And yeah, I love you guys. really a lot. Let the trust between you two increase day in and day out. Love you both like a lot. I don't know how to say it, but I love you both so much. My Ambriyamma and my Akhilesh uncle, I love you. Mwah. Hope you have a wonderful wedding. Day Ambriyamma and Akhilesh uncle, have a happy married life. Enjoy the wedding. Love you so much. Ambriyamma, you're my favorite aunt, and and Akhilesh uncle, you're my favorite uncle. Love you both so much. Bye. Happy married life.
Wishing you a happy wedding day.
Wishing you a happy wedding day. Yeah,
Thank
guys.
you. Bye.
Happy married life. Bye.
Hi, wish you a happy married life and a life filled with adventure. Hope to meet you all soon. Till then, bye.
Wish you a happy married life. All the best. Congratulations again. So we are virtually wishing you. So we are not next to you. So when you are in Bangalore, yes, we will rock. Take care and enjoy.
Dear Chinu Mama and Anupama Auntie, happy married life. Congrats.
Dear Moon and Mole, happy married life. All best things in your life. Thank you.
Congratulations, Mr. and Mrs. Akhilesh. I'm so happy for you guys. I'm sure you guys are looking amazing. The most awaited wedding, but I missed it. Ambli, do you remember the first day we met? Satya Sheikh Colony bus stop. Since then, it's been a fun and crazy ride. I remember those gossips, those little secrets, those outstanding school performances, you missing the bus almost all the days, running behind the bus, then you crying during exams saying that you haven't studied anything but you scored real good. Then what else? Yeah, scoldings from both your mother and my father. How can I forget all that? It feels just like yesterday, but it's been 3 decades now and here you are. I'm so happy that you found someone like Akhilesh who is daring enough to propose you. I've seen him take good care of you only. I'm so upset that I'm not able to attend this very function with you guys. When all this gets over, we'll party and celebrate like there's no tomorrow. Have a blast, guys. Happy married life. My prayers will be there throughout. Love you. Mwah.
Ambli, you have been waiting for this day for such a long time. I so wish I was there with you right now. I'm sending you lots of love and lots of happiness. You both have fought and went through thick and thin to finally come together on this day. You both are meant for each other. Stay blessed. Ini model enda paraya sandoshayittiriക്കുക. So I'm sending you lots of virtual hugs and kisses and love. I love you so much. I hope I can get to see you soon. Akhilesh, I know for sure that you will make her happy and you will keep her happy. And that's it. You guys just have a fantastic day. I hope to see you soon. Mwah. I love you. Bye. I miss you so much.
Happy wedding, Akhilesh and Anu.
Happy wedding, Uncle and Auntie.
We would have been loved to be there.
Yeah.
Hi, Ambli and Akhil.
Hello. Wish you a happy married life.
God bless you both.
Our most loving Amblimol and my godson Agil, wish you both have a blessed wedding day. Lots of love and kisses from Anil, Shalani and Tina.
Hi Ambli and Akhilesh. Best wishes from me, Shalandi and Tina for the wonderful journey as you build your new life together.
Hi, I'm Letici and Akil, wishing you all the best and congratulations. Wishing you all the best tomorrow and a happy married life. Take care. Talk to you later.
Congratulations, Anna and Chichi. Finally, the long wait is over. Wish you all both a very happy married life. I'm sure most of you all over here know my brother quite well. Let me tell you a few things about him. I'm sure you all know his birthday falls on the 14th of February. Yes, on Valentine's Day. And when he was in college, we never understood that all the gifts that came, were they his birthday presents or Valentine's Day gifts? That's still a mystery. Contradictory to this, I think he took that line of all Indians are my brothers and sisters a little too serious. On Rakhi, he used to come back home with his hand filled with Rakhis. I don't know from where he found that many sisters in college. There are lots more stories like this of him, but probably for another time. Thank you.
Dear Chinnu and Anupama, congratulations and wish you very happy married life. Wish you all the best. Do well.
Hi.
Congratulations to
you
both.
Wishing you both a lifetime happiness together and a love that grows stronger with each passing days.
Hi. Wish you both love, luck and happiness today, tomorrow and forever.
Bye.
Congratulations भाई and भाभी, आप दोनों को शादी की ढेर सारी बधाइयाँ. I share a great bond with Bhai, and he's a very fun-loving guy. At the same time, most solid human being. So I must say, Bhabhi, you made a great choice. See you both soon.